Electricity prices are rising across the United States, and more homeowners are taking control of their electricity by building their own solar and grid tie systems. But to get the most out of your panels, you need the right microinverter. Welcome to Deal Explorer. Today, we're releasing our list of the top 5 grid tie microinverters of 2026. We've analyzed their functionality, durability, and real-world performance to highlight the best options for your solar setup. Let's dive into number 5. At number 5 is the 600-watt to 1000-watt auto-voltage micro-solar grid tie inverter. This is an extremely powerful device for the entry level. Its functionality is extremely smooth. It automatically detects and switches between 110-volt and 230-volt, making it incredibly versatile for common electrical panels in the United States. Made with a sturdy aluminum casing, it offers excellent heat dissipation capabilities and durability against adverse weather conditions. Its most notable feature is the integrated Wi-Fi monitor. Instead of guessing your output, you get real-time production data directly on your phone. If you want an affordable, stylish, and highly efficient unit that delivers consistent results without a huge investment, this is the best place to start. At number 4 is the WVC 1200-watt Mppt pure sine wave inverter. This model takes the standard a step further with a feature not often seen in devices in this class, a built-in LCD display. For homeowners who love to do things themselves, this means instant troubleshooting and performance tracking right on the device, without having to search for an app. It delivers a pure sine wave output, which helps keep your home's sensitive electronics running smoothly and safely. In terms of quality, it has a heavy-duty IP65 waterproof rating, which means it can easily handle heavy rain and adverse weather conditions. With highly efficient Mppt tracking, it extracts the maximum power from your panels and delivers reliable, clean power day and night. Number 3 is for those who want to go even bigger. The Meteor 1200-watt to 2800-watt Mppt micro-grid tie inverter is a top-of-the-line model in its class. Offering massive power in the form of a microinverter, this unit is designed for large-scale residential solar panels. It features dual-voltage compatibility and top-of-the-line Mppt technology, ensuring maximum efficiency in variable sunlight conditions. Its industrial-grade IP65 waterproof chassis ensures durability and can withstand both extreme heat and bone-chilling cold. It doesn't have a smart limiter like our top 2 units, but this Meteor model is a great machine for delivering clean, unadulterated power. Second place goes to the 2000W to 2800W backflow prevention microinverter. In many states in the U.S., utility companies have strict regulations against sending unauthorized solar power back to the grid. This unit solves that problem completely. It has an integrated backflow prevention system which acts like a gatekeeper and ensures that you are only using the power you generate but never illegally exporting it. In terms of functionality, it can handle a huge DC input of 18 to 60 volts and easily handles up to 2800 watts. This inverter provides peace of mind and robust results for large systems that comply with strict utility regulations. And our number 1 pick for 2026 is the Meteor 800W 1000W solar grid tie microinverter with limiter sensor. It is the gold standard in modern solar technology. It combines the smart Wi-Fi capabilities of our entry-level models with our number 2 favorite premium anti-backflow technology to create the ultimate all-in-one energy management system. Its special limiter sensor precisely controls power generation in line with your house's actual usage, helping you stay 100% compliant with local grid laws and maximizing your personal savings. With its sleek, compact size, perfect IP65 weatherproofing, and smart home integration, this Meteor inverter guarantees the highest quality performance and smartest results on the market today. Check out the links in the description below to grab yours today. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Deal Explorer, and make 2026 even stronger. See you in the next video.